Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've confirmed nonprofit eligibility and activated Google for nonprofits. Now create a Google Ads account and link it to your nonprofit profile. First, choose your primary campaign goal, donations, volunteers, or awareness, because that guides keywords and bidding. Next, set a modest daily budget to test performance. This controls spend while you learn. Once done, add conversion tracking and connect Google Analytics so you can measure what ads actually drive. Make sure to save settings before building ads. Now build campaigns focusing on one objective per campaign so your data stays clean. For search campaigns, group keywords into tight ad groups and write 2-3 responsive search ads each to test messaging. For display or video, create concise creative and set frequency caps to avoid audience fatigue. Once campaigns run, monitor key metrics, CTR, conversion rate, cost per conversion, and adjust bids or pause low performers. Make sure to use ad extensions to increase real estate. Finish by optimizing and scaling. You should /B test headlines, CTA, and landing pages until you see higher conversion rates. Once a variant wins, increase its budget gradually. Use audience lists and remarketing to re-engage visitors who didn't convert. If performance drops, check common issues, disapproved ads, incorrect conversion tags, or billing restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip: if conversions aren't recording, verify analytics and ads tag placement, and use real-time debug tools to confirm events fire correctly before scaling spend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.